So how do we, Cecil, how do we do this?
Ano na po, i-level na lang po sila po.
Ganito ako.
Ibig mo yan?
Ayaw ba yung inyong pa? Yung inyong sign? So I'm supposed to do it also?
Okay.
Would you, no, you want me to do it also, or?
It would be better. It would be much more inspiring. Inspiring for us.
Ayaw tumayo. Okay, repeat after me. I do solemnly swear of my own free will and accord in the presence of God and these witnesses, do hereby solemnly declare to do honor and abide the Constitution and bylaws and sorority and the Skeptron Alumni Association of United Kingdom. It is my pledge that I will be loyal to the Alpha Kappa Rho and the Skeptron Alumni Association of United Kingdom, that I will uphold and encourage my brothers and sisters the duties and obligations faithfully, and to promote the principles and objectives by endeavoring in every way to perfect myself morally, intellectually, spiritually, and socially according to that high standard of conduct required by the Alpha Kappa Rho and the Skeptron Alumni Association of United Kingdom. So help me God. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
Hindi ba kailangan yung ano nyo? Paano ba yun?
Okay. Honorary member.